In an efficient business, each device does exactly what it needs and nothing more. Moto Device Manager gives you the seamless and efficient device management you need to rein in your fleet of smartphones. From the ThinkShield Console, create as many custom profiles as you need. Choose from different types of provisioning: dedicated devices, fully managed, corporate work profile, and bring your own device. Then adjust the password settings and select which apps are allowed or pre-installed. Set permissions for location and network settings, calls, messaging, camera usage, and more. Kiosk mode allows you to limit device usage to specific applications, which works great for restaurants, retail, and other customer service settings. Devices can be enrolled individually with a QR code or in bulk through Android Zero-Touch deployment. From the dashboard on the ThinkShield Console, monitor and manage your entire fleet to keep your business running efficiently and securely. Moto Device Manager puts you in control of your productivity.